Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. This week, we're going to be making jerk jackfruit in 2 different ways, and I hope you're going to love this recipe just as much as I do. Our ingredients are 2 tins of jackfruit, garlic powder, jerk seasoning, cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, smoked paprika, vegan bouillon, plain flour, pinch of Himalayan salt. For the batter, lemonade and water. We're going to open up our 2 tins of jackfruit, pour off the brine, wash them really well. Then we're going to put another bowl underneath the colander, pour water on them and leave them to soak for between 10 to 15 minutes. Place a cup of flour, about 120 grams, in each bowl. We're going to start to add our seasoning to the flour. First we'll add some turmeric, then some garlic powder, and these ones you can add according to your taste. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of the vegan bouillon to each bowl. Next we're adding 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and then a pinch of the cayenne pepper. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of the jerk seasoning. And finally, a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Gently whisk all of the dry ingredients together. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients to the flour mixture. These are lemonade and water, and the reason why we use the lemonade because it gives the batter a crispier texture when it's fried. This is how your batter should look and the dropping consistency. Now we're going to take our jackfruit pieces out of the water, place them on a tea towel that has a piece of kitchen paper on it already, and then we're just going to place all of the piece of jackfruit on there. We're going to put another piece of kitchen paper on top, and then we're going to fold it up in the towel because we want to get rid of any more excess water. We want the jackfruit pieces as dry as possible. We'll leave it wrapped up for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once we've unwrapped it and taken it out of the tea towel, we're then going to put it in a bowl. We're going to sprinkle it with some soy sauce and make sure it's evenly covered. Then we're going to sprinkle it with some jerk seasoning, making sure the seasoning is thoroughly coating all of the pieces. In the next part of the process, we're going to be dipping our pieces of jerk jackfruit into the batter, and then from the batter into the flour, and then from the flour into the frying pan until they are nice and crispy and golden. Look at these beauties. Don't they look delicious? But we haven't finished yet. In a small bowl, we're going to put some BBQ sauce, some jerk seasoning, Scotch bonnet finely chopped up, and then we're going to mix that together, and we're going to divide our jackfruit, and we're going to pour this mixture over half of the jackfruit pieces. I can't begin to tell you just how delicious, just how crispy, just how tasty, just how spicy these jackfruit pieces are. You have got to try it.